Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 115mm angle grinder. As you can see, it comes in a black moulded carrying case. Within the case, we have the warranty details, we have the grinder itself, we have a side handle, pin key, one metal grinding disc. We recommend, whenever using a power tool like this, that you use safety goggles or safety specs, especially with an angle grinder. This angle grinder has a toggle switch on the top, which is easily operatable by the thumb, forward, on and off. The machine comes with a side handle that can be positioned in three places, on the left hand side, on the top, on the right hand side. This makes it a two-hand operational machine, which will make it more secure when cutting or grinding. The machine comes with 115mm metal grinding disc. Before mounting the disc, we must say that you must read the instructions carefully. This is a machine with a disc fitted, so we can show you the locking button on the gear housing. To take the disc off, we rotate the disc, pushing the button, and it will locate the hole, so the disc won't move. Using the pin key, we then unlock the button, like so. Always remember, when fitting or taking a disc off, make sure the machine's unplugged. That is the ROK 115mm angle grinder. Now let's see the tool in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.